Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be sharing the previous year 2025 AMU B.Ed entrance exam questions along with their correct answers, quick and direct without explanation. So let's get started the video. This answer key contains all the correct answers for the previous year B.Ed entrance exam questions, so you can check here. So first part of the question paper is reasoning part. Question number 1. Insert the missing number. And the correct answer is D. 511. Second question. Find the odd numbers. And the correct answer is D. 81. Third question. Find the odd number in this series. And the correct answer is C. 427. Fourth question. Insert the missing number. Correct answer is B. 1440. Fifth question is find the odd number in this series. And the correct answer is A. 28. Question number 6. Find the odd number in this series. And the answer is B. 383. Question number 7. Insert the missing number. And the answer is C. 72. Question number 8. Insert the missing number. And the correct option is C. -5. Question number 9. Find out the wrong number in this series. And the correct answer is D. 150. Question number 10. Find the odd one out. Hawk, parrot, owl, eagle. And the correct option is parrot. Question number 11. Find the odd word from the following. And the correct answer is flying. A. Question number 12. Find the odd word from the following. And the correct answer is D. Shining. 13th question. Find the odd one out. Correct answer D. Plate. Question number 14. Numismatic is related to coin in the same way paleontology is related to which? And the correct answer is C. Fossils. Question number 15. Bull is related to cow in the same way as horse is related to mare. B. Correct answer. Question 16. Seismograph is related to earthquakes in the same way as thermometer is related to. Question number C is correct answer, temperature. Question number 17. Captain is related to soldier in the same way as leader is related to. Correct answer is followers. Question number 18. Fan is related to wings in the same way as wheel is related to. Correct answer is C. Spokes. Question number 19. In the following question, choose the missing word in the place of the sign. Food is related to stomach. Fuel is related to. Correct answer is A. Engine. Question number 20. In the following question, choose the missing word in the place of sign. Love is related to friend. Hate is related to dash. Correct answer is C. Enemy. Question number 21. In the following question, choose the missing word in the place of the sign. Oasis is related to desert. Dash is related to sea. And the correct answer is A. Island. Question number 22. In the following question, choose the missing word in the place of the sign. 5 is related to 100. 4 is related to 64. 4 is related to 80. And 3 is related to dash. And the correct answer is B. 48. Question number 23. If a wall is called window and window is called door and door is called floor, floor is called roof and roof is called ventilator, then what will a person stand on dash? And the correct answer is roof. Question number 24. If a given code sister is coded as 535301 and uncle as 84670 and the boy as 129, then how is rustic written in that code? And the correct answer is B. 185336. Question number 25. The total ages of the Karim, Rahim and Kabir is 85 years. What was the total of their ages 3 years ago? And the correct answer is 76. Here reasoning part is ended and we will start the English part from the next question. Question number 26. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Only a small number of people in the audience laughed at the comic's dash sense of humor, while the rest found it to be too sarcastic. And the correct answer is D. Mordant. Question number 27. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Because he was so dash, the athlete was able to complete the obstacle course in the record time. And the correct answer is B. Nimble. Question number 28. Complete the sentence with the correct option. For a dash fee, it is possible to upgrade from regular gasoline to premium. And the correct answer is A. Nominal. Question 29. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Sam's grueling hike included passing through numerous dash. Answer B. Ravines. Question 30. Fill in the blanks space with correct option. David's dash entrance on stage disrupt the scene and cause the actor to flub their lines. Correct answer is D. Untimely. 31 question. Fill in the blanks space with correct option. The curious crowd gathered to watch the irate customer's dash about the poor service he received in the restaurant. Correct answer is C. Rent. 32 question. Pick out the odd option and the correct answer is C. Circumlocution. Question 33. Which of the following is not a compound word? Answer is D. Minestrone. Question 34. Fill in the blank space with correct option. The leaders who lost their lives in the Revolutionary War were called dash for Indian independence. Correct answer is B. Martyr. Question 35. Complete the sentence with the correct option. It is helpful for salesmen to develop a good dash with their customers in order to gain their trust. Correct answer is B. Rapport. 36 question. Complete the sentence with the correct option. The battalion's dash was a well-fortified structure near the army lines. Answer is C. Garrison. Question number 37. Complete the sentence with the correct option. He arrived dash as usual. Even the chief guest came dash than he did. Correct answer is C. Late, earlier. Question number 38. Complete the given sentence with the correct option. Why didn't you turn up at the meeting? We all were dash waiting for you. And the correct answer is A. Eagerly. We are eagerly waiting. 39 question. Which of the following sentence is correctly written? And the correct option is C. The clothing scent of flowers filled the air. Question number 40. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Larry's dash features when you first notice him were his stunning black hair and large and dark eyes. Correct answer is C. Predominant features. Question 41. Complete the sentence with the correct option. The class endured a loud and lengthy dash by the teacher on the subject of submitting written work on time. And the correct answer is tirade. Question 42. Complete the given sentence with the correct option. Her dash to the cause impressed her seniors. Right answer is C. Devotion. Question 43. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Amir agrees with the dash that the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. And the correct answer is Maxim. B. Question 44. Choose the sentence which has been punctuated correctly. And the correct answer is A. Sami, my neighbor, is a pilot. Question 45. Complete the given sentence with the correct option. Hurry up, Madam dash annoyed if we dash late. And the correct answer is A. Will be R. Question 46. Which of the following sentences the word broken is used as a participle? Correct answer is C. See the broken window. Question 47. Complete the given sentence with the correct option. Why he lives in a house dash from any town or village in a mystery. A is the correct answer, remote. Question 48. Fill in the blank space with the correct option. Every day of his life, Gandhiji dashed to God to give us the good sense to love one another. We dash all born to love. Correct answer is B. Appealed R. 49 question. Complete the given sentence with the correct option. He accused one of dash lies. Question A correct. Telling. Question 50. Complete the sentence with the correct option. Victor Frankenstein's creature was dash detested by everyone he met. Answer is A. Anathema. Now here English part ended and the next question will start the teaching aptitude part. Question number 51. The teaching is correct answer A. An activity organized in a systematic way to attain predetermined objectives. Question number 52. You want to be a teacher because in teaching profession. Correct answer B. You are interested in it. Question number 53. First step of teaching process is. Correct answer C. Determining the objectives of the lesson. Question number 54. Before starting a new topic of lesson, a teacher should. Correct answer C. Ascertain background knowledge of students. Question number 55. Which of the following is the most important factor for the success of a beginner in teaching? Correct answer B. Personality and its ability to relate to the class and its pupil. Question number 56. In which level of teaching lower level learning outcomes get focused? Correct answer is A. Memory level. Question number 57. The essence of an effective classroom environment is. Correct answer is D. Lively student-teacher interaction. Question number 8. The biggest limitation of a lecture method of teaching is. Correct answer is C. It makes learner passive. Question number 59. Which among the following is not important while explaining some concept in the classroom? Correct answer is B. Movement. Question number 60. A teacher can establish rapport with his students by. Correct answer is C. Playing the role of a guide. Question number 61. Which phase of teaching is called implementation phase? Correct answer is B. Interactive phase. Question number 62. Which of the following is correct for blackboard writing? Correct answer is D. Writing important points clearly. Question number 63. According to you, if a teacher wants to check immediately if the students have grasped the concept, she would dash. Correct answer is A. Ask students questions. Question number 64. A teacher's place is prestigious in the society only if she dash. Correct answer is D. If she performs duty honestly and responsibly. Question number 65. If some students are talking ill about a co-teacher, then. Correct answer is D. You will make them understand and ask them not to repeat. Question number 66. In your opinion, teaching profession should be adopted by people who dash. Correct answer is D. Have faith in teaching work. Question number 67. If a student in your class is not able to grasp the content, as a teacher you will dash. Correct answer is D. Second and fourth. That means second is try to diagnose the problem of that student and fourth is provide remedial teaching to that student. Question number 68. The advantage of giving homework to students is. Correct answer is C. May develop habit of self-study. 69 question. A person can enjoy teaching as a profession when he dash. Correct answer is B. Commands respect from students. Question number 70. Verbal guidance by the teacher is least effective in the learning of dash. Correct answer is skill. Question number 71. The quality of teaching is reflected dash. Correct answer is C. By the quality of question asked by the teacher. Question number 72. If a student keeps himself isolated in the class most of the time, what action you will take? Correct answer is A. Make an initiative to find out the reason. Question number 73. There is a visually impaired student in the classroom, then the other students should dash. Correct answer C. Help academically. Question number 74. Which of the following is the most important characteristic of open book examination system? Correct answer is A. It compels students to think. Question number 75. The most important challenge for a teacher is, correct answer is D. To make teaching process enjoyable. Here teaching aptitude part ends and the next question will start the current educational affair part. Question number 76. The erstwhile Ministry of Human Resource Development was renamed as Ministry of Education on, correct answer is C, 29 July 2020. Question number 77. The UGC was constituted on the recommendation of dash. A is correct answer, Dr. Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 78. As per NEP 2020, the school education will now be comprised of dash. Correct answer is C, 15 years. Question number 79. What will be age of early childhood care and education ECCE in NEP 2020? Correct answer is D, 3 to 8 years. Question number 80. As per new education policy 2020, the role of teacher in classroom is dash. Answer is facilitator, D. Question number 81. The purpose of environmental education is to, correct answer is D, make children sensitive towards the environment. Question number 82. Which of the following constitutional provision provides free and compulsory education up to the age of 18 years to all children with disabilities? Correct answer is C, PWD Act 2005. Question number 83. National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education 2009 was published by, correct answer is C, NCTE. Question number 84. National Knowledge Commission was set up by, correct answer is C, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Question number 85. Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University is situated at, correct answer is B, Amethi. Question number 86. Which Indian city is known as prominent hub for higher education and research institution often called Oxford of the East? Correct answer is C, Pune. Question number 87. As per All Indian Higher Educational Survey Report 2023, the GER in higher education during 2020 to 2021 was, correct answer is B, 27.1%. Question number 88. Identify the scheme launched to empower SC students by providing financial assistance to best private residential school. Correct answer is A, Shrestha. Question number 89. Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat initiative is related to dash. C, Languages of India is correct answer. Question number 90. Which state in India spent the largest amount on primary education? Correct answer is Kerala. Question number 91. Which committee is associated with the Varda scheme of basic education? Correct answer is B, Zakir Hussain Committee. 92 question. The Down School Trial Indonesia, which is a pilot project implemented in 10 schools, has resulted in, correct answer is B, sleep deprivation among the students. Question number 93. What was the theme of World AIDS Day 2024? Correct answer is D, remember and commit. Question number 94. Which global initiative focuses on promoting access to education for girls in developing countries? Correct answer is B, Malala Funds. Question number 95. Which learning model combines online instruction with in-person classes? Correct answer is D. Hybrid learning. Question number 96. The National Conference on APAR, One Nation, One Student ID Card was inaugurated in, question number D is correct, New Delhi. Question number 97. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, a national-wide program aimed at assisting students in managing exam-related stress, was launched in collaboration with Dash. Correct answer is B. Mehta. Question number 98. Kanya Saksharta Protsahan scheme was launched in January 2006 to promote, A is correct, primary education of girls. Question number 99. What is the objective of SWAM introduced by the Government of India? Correct answer is C. Massive open online learning courses. Question number 100. PM Poshan is the new avatar of erstwhile. Correct answer is D. Midday Meal Scheme, MDMS. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you really like my video and found helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really need your love and support, and follow for more for such educational learning videos.